Alright YouTube, I'm back with another video. I know I haven't been posting as much. I know I'm supposed to be posting every weekend, so this upload's probably a little different. I've been just trying to handle some stuff, so it's been hard kind of posting. Man, first things first, I gotta get some gas because I'm finna run out. But I know y'all probably don't really mess with the nighttime POV drops because it looks like it's a lot harder to see for y'all. It's just the way it's been right now. It gets dark extremely early as soon as I'm getting off work, so that's the only issue. This past weekend I just wasn't able to upload. It would have been a good time to do a daytime POV drop, but like I was saying, I just been going through some stuff, trying to handle some stuff, taking one step at a time. So yeah, and I know y'all can't really see, but I did take out the back seats in my car just for better sound in the interior. I'll see y'all when we at the gas station though. Get this POV started. And my car is looking really dirty. But yeah, we just got some new tires on the back. So we're gonna be hooking, gripping, hooking. I don't know nothing about that, but yeah, let's go ahead and get this gas pumped right quick. Yeah, hopefully y'all enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, subscribe. I'm gonna be getting back on being, but yeah, I'm gonna be a lot more active. That's what I was trying to say. I just couldn't think of the word. I'm gonna be a lot more active for y'all, posting every weekend. I'm just waiting for that gas to hurry up and pump. It's cold. Look at that, guys, a whopping 8 gallons. Gas $4.25.
GSTV presents new spot by Get out and smell the roses, friends. Seriously, I do it only in
Alright, let's go pick up my girl. Jumping up. Alright, YouTube, I'm gonna go ahead and end the video here, only because it's pretty hard for me to see while driving, so I already know it's gonna be 10 times harder to see on camera. So yeah, I'm just gonna wait till about Saturday, Sunday, just to get me a better POV while it's daytime, and it's a lot easier for y'all to see. Still, hopefully y'all enjoyed this video. I still tried to go pretty crazy for y'all, even though it was pretty hard for me to see, but I have been inactive, and I promise that I'm gonna start being a lot more active. So Friday, Saturday, Sunday, those are gonna be my posting days. So every weekend I'm gonna get back on it, try posting every weekend. Y'all please just like, comment, subscribe. See you on the next video. Peace.